Since its inception in 2006, Sigmatop has successfully developed 3 standard series and 7 CNC series grinder models in a variety of specifications. It has also formed partnerships with the very biggest names in the industry, such as Mitsubishi, to ensure that it can always deliver the very best possible products to its customers. Today, we're looking at the SU2040 CNC cylindrical grinder from Sigmatop. What makes it really special is the controller. It's really easy to use. First, however, let's take a look at the machine's basic configuration. The carriage and cross-slide travel on hydrostatic V-flat ways, and they're each driven by direct servo drive precision ball screws. The setup of the machine also includes cable chains to ensure a clean and safe work environment. The grinding spindle runs friction-free on a hydrostatic bearing. This means there's almost no wear or vibration to pass on to the workpiece. It's also surrounded with an oil-cooled jacket, and it swivels plus or minus 30 degrees for differing slant feed operations. Sigmatop has worked with Mitsubishi to develop a great new controller interface which is supported by Mitsubishi. And you can only get it with Sigmatop CNC machines. With this new system, you don't need specially trained operators. In fact, Sigmatop tells me they can train an operator to use this system competently in about 20 minutes. So you can have your grinder up and running productively very quickly indeed. You still have the standard M and G codes available, but the new interface is a Windows XP user-friendly environment, which gives you direct control with conversational programming. To show you just how easy it is to use, I'm going to run you through the machine's operations myself. Shift F2 brings you to a fresh job setup. You just have to give it basic dimensions such as diameter and length, and pinpoint your X and Z start coordinates, and it prompts you for the pertinent parameters. It will ask for material removal tolerances for rough and finish grinding, spindle speeds, when and how often to measure and dress the wheel. Other parameters such as plunge, linear feed, approach, pass, shouldering, taper feed, and slant angle approach are all here. And once your sequencing is all set up, just hit F7 to save the job. This system retains 100 different job settings. Variances in small batch production are easy to set up. You just pull up an existing job, tweak it, and then save it again. For doing one-off parts, this system is ideal. Some other details to point out include a micrometer dial, which allows you to set the feed angle for angular grinding very accurately. Sigmatop can supply different cooling systems to suit each client. But this system comes with a massive 80-litre coolant tank with 3 different filters: magnetic, dual paper, and also a hydraulic filtering system. End-face touch probes by Renishaw and OD measuring devices by Marpos. It's all about accuracy, and Sigmatop goes for the top names in the business. The list of options is comprehensive. You can fit it with an internal grinding chuck with cam-lock driving dogs for quick changeovers. A grind cloud vacuum system can be installed for ID grinding, as can 2 or 3-point steady rest, and a manual wheel forming device is also available for non-standard custom jobs. Quality and innovation are key for all Sigmatop machines, and they ensure that each unit is perfectly set up using a laser calibration system for ultimate accuracy. Trends today require shops to gear up for versatility, so Sigmatop offers the SU2040 CNC cylindrical grinder. It's got all the features of other machines on the market, but it's the only one that lets you bypass the hassle of G-code programming and get your machine up and running quickly with minimal training.